What if you could automate content creation for your business just like a lot of top YouTubers are doing? So I've built this AI automation system that has automated my AI news channel that is running on Instagram as well as YouTube Shorts. And this entire automation basically covers finding out hottest tech news, writing viral script, and then creating stunning visuals and ready to post Instagram reels, completely automated. And the results? Well, check them out. So I'm using this platform called Arcads where all these videos are getting stored. I can also download these videos automatically. So just check out the result here. You can see the script on the right hand side. And let's play this video.
Because humans judge them. Forget grades. AI is quietly changing our minds. New research reveals something shocking about students. They're turning to AI not for homework, but for emotional support because humans judge them.
This entire video looks so realistic that I can directly post on my Instagram reels. Or if you want to add more graphics, just hand over this video to your editors and they can add the graphics and basically post it on your Instagram page. You don't have to sit in front of the camera every single time to record such videos. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create simple AI automation system that will find trending news and turn it into ready to post videos automatically. Well, hey everyone, I'm Prakash Gupta and I'm running an AI automation agency called Small AI, where we build intelligent and smart workflows that help businesses scale. Now let's be clear, in the next 8 minutes, you're not just watching a video, you're getting a blueprint. Learn about this entire AI automation and I'll give you the editing template by the end of this video. You'll also learn how you can use this game-changing tool called Arcads that I've been using to create such AI-based UGC ads for my own business. And if you want to learn more about AI automation breakdowns that can literally change the way you work, do yourself a favor and click on the subscribe button right now. I share my exact high-level workflows right here every single week. But first, let's understand this AI automation system that can automate your content creation game to next level. Now, to run this entire AI automation system, you need 3 tools. One is of course the N10 server. So you can go to the description of this video where you will find this N10 link. As soon as you click on this link, you just have to create an account and your 14 days free trial will get activated. On that free trial, this is the landing page that will be there and you can just click on create a workflow and you just have to download the workflow from the description of this video and you can upload it by clicking on import from file. Perfect. So this is the first thing. Second thing is of course an LLM. For any AI agent, LLM is the brain. So we are using Gemini as an LLM right here. So you can just click on this plus icon and click on Gemini chat model. As soon as you do this, you can just have to add your own credentials and your LLM is ready to be used. So now we have done our N10 server as well as our LLM. So next part comes out to be Arcads. So Arcads is this amazing platform that helps you create AI-based UGC ads, which basically has hundreds or even thousands of AI actors that you can use. You just have to provide a script that this AI actor will repeat and this entire video will be very realistic. Arcads is a platform that we are going to use to create our AI news reels for Instagram as well as YouTube Shorts. And of course, the later part is posting it on social media. Great. So now that you're on Arcads platform, you just have to click on login or sign up. Now make sure that you're on the premium plan so that the entire integration works. And inside the Arcads, you can see that we have created all these projects that contains AI-based UGC videos. So again, I'm just gonna click on this video and you can see that we have created another video based out of a script. So let's check it out.
OpenAI is currently in absolute turmoil. Their internal drama is now boiling.
So you can see that this video is again very realistic and this is totally AI generated. I'm not doing anything else for this. Now to create a video, you just have to click on add actors here. And you can see here that we have hundreds of different actors that you can use to create your reels on Instagram.
Hey you, welcome.
And each actors has a different voice, has a different way of speaking, and of course has a different
Hey you, welcome to.
So you can see that this video is speaking in front of mic. You can see that there are different AI actors that perform different functions.
I'm one of the natural.
And of course, if you don't want to use these already provided actors, you can create your own actor. So you have two options. Either you can add a prompt that will generate an image and then that image will be used as an actor, or you can upload your own image. So of course, if I want to create a video where I am speaking this AI news, I can upload my own image and this Arcads platform will create these AI UGC ads based out of my image. And of course, I'm speaking there, all the scripts will be there. It's very simple to use. Now we will be using Arcads very heavily into this platform, so make sure you have the subscription of this. All right, coming back to the workflow, what we have here is this entire automation. Now we have covered N10, we have covered LLM, and we have also covered Arcads. Now let's understand what is happening under the hood of this entire automation. Now this AI automation follows a set of criteria. So first it has to generate the content. Now, of course, I cannot provide a knowledge base because I'm running a news channel. So the articles are gonna get updated from the internet. So I've added a few news articles. In this thing, you can see that we have added 3 newsletters, and we'll be basically scraping these 3 newsletters every single time whenever we run this automation. So we get the latest trending news out of them. And after using this RSS module, you can see that we're getting 90 different articles. So in this, you can see that we are getting 90 different contents on probably in different domains or in similar domains, which we can use to create our news reel. Perfect. So next stop, what we do is we have this AI agent, and what this AI agent does is it uses all the context that we're getting. So basically 90 different articles, and fetches out a relatable domain that I can post on my Instagram page. So it has information about my news channel, and it will basically collect the content from different articles and will create a context. So you can see that we have headline, we have context brief, we have why it matters, and we also have the supporting items. So what are all the relatable items that supports this entire context? So this next AI agent, what it does is it will use this entire context to create a script. You can see as the output that this is the script that we'll be using to generate content. Awesome. The next part is generating a title. So this title is basically being used in ArcAd's create video platform. In any of the projects, you can see that we have added all these titles. So this is all AI generated. The next part is, of course, ArcAd's video generation. So we are using these 3 HTTP nodes, and each node serve a different function. So to understand these nodes, what I'll suggest is to go through this documentation. I'll link it down below. So ArcAd has a Swagger API documentation that you can use to understand how the API works. All right, so what I'm using is I'm using 3 endpoints. First is create script. So the LLM that has created this script, I'm using the script to put it into ArcAd's platform. So next stop, what we do is we are adding this video to script. I'm basically defining an AI actor. I have defined the voice ID, and I'm passing out the script ID as well that I have uploaded on ArcAd's platform. And next, I just simply call an HTTP node that will start generating this video. And this generation of video is not instantaneous, it takes a few minutes. So after I've clicked on it, I have to check has the video been generated or not. So I've added this loop system which waits for 5 minutes before checking. So every 5 minutes it checks have the platform generated the video or not. If it has, then we put out the video URL right here, and using the URL you can simply download the video or upload it to any of the social media. So this is about the entire automation. We are covering how we are getting the trending news, how we are generating viral scripts, and how we are also generating videos out of them. I have created a lot of videos for my own channel, so you can see that I have used this AI actor again for another script.
Forget grades. AI is quietly changing our minds. New research reveals something shocking about students. They're turning to AI not for homework, but for emotional support because.
So this is what ArcAds is able to do. ArcAds has been a very supportive platform. There are different platforms that you can also use, but the quality is not that great. ArcAds provides a very good high quality video that you can really use in a real social media platform. Well, this is it for this entire automation system. If you find this entire automation system useful for your own use case, make sure that you download the JSON file and you're able to implement it in your intent server. If you face any issue, feel free to comment, and make sure that you hit the like button if this video provided value to you. Click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you never miss out a crazy and automation that can change the way that you work. All right, I'll see you in the next one.